Good morning, dear students. I welcome you to your next lecture of moral education. I hope you are fine and safe at home, and I pray for the same. I hope you have opened your moral education book. And the children, those who have not opened, please open your books and chapter Anu and Meena, chapter 13. So I hope now you have opened your book and chapter 13. Open chapter 13. And in first part of this lecture, we discussed as they were two friends. Anu and Meena were very best friends, and the teacher, Mrs. Ram, has decided to organize an activity, and in that activity they can choose an activity according to their choice. And Anu has decided to participate in art and craft activity. So we will continue with the further part of the story. Turn this page number 62. When they started school, everyone was worried that they might be in different classes. As they were very best friends and they were playing together, they were going to parties together, and they were probably each and every activity together. But when they started school, everyone was thinking, and everyone was worried that their school and class will be different. But no, they were even put in the same class and section. At the end of week 1, the teacher explained to the children all about free choice time. Free choice means according to their choice they can choose an activity. This meant that on Friday afternoons, when all the class were quite weary, Mrs. Ram would set out all the different areas with separate activities. She will organize and different activities, and all the children will participate in that activities according to their choice. As you are now of the class and class 3, and you want to participate in art and craft, and other girl is Srishti, she wants to participate in science activity. One boy is Amit, he wants to participate in English lab activity. So all the subjects, according to all the subjects, there are activities, and you can participate according to your choice. The same is here. Mrs. Ram would set out all the different areas with separate activities. The children could then choose to do one or all of them as they wished. They can participate in all the activities, and they can participate in single one also. That is their choice. Anu and Meena were excited. When Mrs. Ram opened the classroom door, they both immediately saw what they wanted to do. When Mrs. Ram opened the classroom, and while just they entered the class, they immediately saw in which activity they want to participate. And Anu goes straight to the table, near the table, art and craft, where were colorful papers were kept on the table in all shapes and size, with crayons and paints and colored pens of every hue. She settled herself down in the chair near the window and began to color in, because she is the fond of coloring and art and craft work. So she participated in this activity. And what about Meena now? She was contented and started to really enjoy herself. But at that moment, Meena came over to the table. And come on, she said, pulling Anu's jumper. And she is pulling Anu's jumper. Anu, stop. Come, please come with me. We will participate in other activity, because she wants to do in other activities participation. She called her friends also. But here, friends' interests are different. So, come and work with me at the science table. Meena wants to do work on the science table. You will not forget it. Anu in art and craft, and Meena in science class. It's got lots of water and floaters and sinker. It has a great fun. Oh, she says there is too much excitement, great enjoyment there. So please come with me. Lots of water and floaters and sinkers there. Oh, murmured Anu, deeply engrossed in her picture. She does not want to go with her. No, come and play with me, whined Meena, and she pulled Anu's jumper again. She again says, means Meena again says to Anu, please come with me, and she pulled her jumper, means top again, but this time she did it harder. But second time Meena pulled her sweater, jumper and sweater very hardly, and this made Anu arm drag her crayon straight across her coloring. And by this, suddenly what happens when Meena pushed her sweater hand, Anu's hand is crayon straight across her coloring, and her picture is, her drawing is, what happened? That is damaged. That, and Anu's balance again like that. She lost her balance, and Anu lost her balance and fell back against a low table. Interesting story. So I know this is now on your tips, and you will not forget this story in assignment time, in test time, and in any exercise time. And I hope for today it is sufficient and you enjoyed the lecture. I'll meet you in your next lecture. Till then, bye.